Erin from Juniper and Oaks, and I am here to talk to you about the Crochetpreneur Business Academy, or CBA, you may have heard. I joined CBA in 2020, sort of at the beginning-ish of the pandemic. I had heard about CBA and seen all about it for the last little while, and I just wasn't quite sure if I should join. I didn't know if it was worth the investment, and really, I wasn't making very much as a crochet business owner then anyway. Like, could the investment be justified? Would I lose money and then have to just stop crocheting because I couldn't afford it anymore? Would I learn anything? Would anybody even like me? Also, like, I'm a busy mama. Then I had 2 kids. Right now I have 3 kids. And would I even get anything out of it? Would I even be able to invest time into the program to actually do the modules and like meet the people and attend the classes? Or would I just be wasting my time and wasting my money? Because listen, I was trying to make my hobby business work, but I wasn't really thinking like a business owner. So, I just crochet for fun and like try to make little money. But really, like, in my mind, I knew I wanted to be like a business owner, and I wanted to make this work, and I wanted to provide income for my family. And I didn't want to just be like a hobby crocheter who like sold stuff on the side. You know, I wanted to make crochet business work for me. I wanted to turn yarn into money. I'm really not sure when the switch was flipped, when I was like, I can't spend money on this. I'm just a hobby crocheter, to like, okay, I'm going to invest in CBA and like propel my business forward. But I'm really glad I did. With the help of Pam and the other members of the crochet community, I was able to niche down and figure out a plan or direction for my business and become more successful in my crochet business because of CBA. For example, my Nordic Winter Afghan, my corner to corner crochet along that I hosted in collaboration with other people, I was able to use content from CBA in order to make this thing successful. And so I think without the investment in CBA, I wouldn't be able to pull this off. One of the fears that I had going into CBA was that I wouldn't be able to like absorb all the content. I wouldn't be able to make the most out of my investment because I wouldn't have time. And you know what? That's true. Like, I'm a crazy busy mama of 3. Like, I don't have time to watch all the videos and do all the modules. But you know what? That doesn't matter. I think that the most valuable part of CBA is the community. The community aspect of CBA is really, really, really what has made me a successful crochet business owner. So if you're just a crazy busy mama like me, and if you have all the things and you wear all the hats and you still want to move your business forward and you don't have time to do all the modules, like, yeah, I'd say CBA is for you. I love the community aspect of CBA so much that I joined as a VIP, and you know what? I think I'm just going to keep on extending because I can't give it up. So maybe I'll see you in the community.